Okay guys, today we're gonna do the front lip with rain gutters. Again, this is the cheap body kit challenge. Let's go ahead and do it. What's up guys? Today I'm gonna try to make a lip, the front lip. So this one is gonna be a little bit hard. I bought a new gutter, but I'm gonna try to do it with a gutter still. This is a cheap body kit challenge. Okay, so I'm gonna try to use this piece. I think it's the one is gonna look better, or because if I do it like this, it's too big. It's almost touching the floor. So I think like this, and then I'm gonna bend it all the way here, and then maybe probably bend another piece here, and then one flat piece over there. So I don't know. Let me start doing and let's see how it looks. Let's do it. Okay guys, I already cut it. You can see. This is what I'm gonna put like this on the bumper, front bumper. It was super hard because I don't have an electric saw, but I use this like a hand saw. But if you have an electric saw, it's better. Let's do the next step. I'm gonna put it on the bumper. I'm gonna do like a triangle like that, and then put them together. Okay guys, this is my first cut. As you can see, I made like a triangle all the way here. You can see it. And I cut it with scissors, okay? So I'm gonna try to go like this. This is like 8.5 inches, then 4 inches, like that. So I'm gonna put in each curve of the bumper, I'm gonna make a triangle of like 1, 2, and 3. Maybe another one over there, one on the center, and all the way over there. Okay? Let's continue doing this. Okay. Okay guys, this is the lip after I did all the cuts, okay? Let me give you the measurements. This works for the Toyota Corolla, but if you have a different car, the measurements are gonna be different, okay? For this one, the first cut is 8.5 inches. The next one is at 6 inches. The next one 13 3/4, almost 14 inches. The next one is 22.5 inches, and the next one has to be the same. Yeah, 22.5. Yeah, 14 inches and 6 inches, and the last one is to be 8.5. Yes, so that's the size. If you wanna do this one and take less time, also one more thing. This one is like a inch wide, so it's almost like here, like a one thing to almost two fingers, like inch and a half. And then I did a cut 1 inch wide. Also cut a little bit on the of this thing on the ends, this ends, because if With that, it will help bend better. If you leave these things, it's hard. It doesn't wanna bend. Okay. Okay. So the next step is the screws. These are the screws I bought. It's raining outside, so that's why the car now is all wet. Okay. Let's do it. Okay guys, I already put it on. So as you can see, let me point it looks better if you kinda overlap this piece. And here, as you can see, the measurements are not good. So when you're doing the cutting, measure the bumper before you cut it. So this one I'm gonna use vinyl and leave it like that. And also cut all the excess plastic so it won't scratch your tire. So that is flush with the bumper. Here, let me show you here, as you can see, I did the cut too wide. So try to make it maybe like a ½ inch or something like that, then overlap the plastic. You can see here I have a gap, and on the other ones I don't have. Like this, it will look better like this if you overlap. Okay, so now the next step is to put a vinyl on top. Let me show you how it looks. Okay guys, this is how it looks. It looks cool. It was a little bit hard, but it's worth it. So as you can see it on the car, it looks super nice with the vinyl. So now it matches my side skirts. Okay guys, that's the front lip. I use rain gutters again, so it was like $5 plus the screws, another $3, and the vinyl is like $20 again. This is like $20, it's super cheap. I use screws because the front lip is gonna be rubbing the floor on the driveway, so if I only put double side tape, it's gonna be gone. So that's why I use a screw, so it will hold better. Okay, and when you are doing the cutting for the bending on the measurements, make sure that the line is on the right, the cut is in the right space. Okay, so this one is super easy, anybody can do it. So check out the way I did it, to watch the process. This one it will work for any car, but the cuttings, the places that you have to cut, if your car is not a Corolla, might be different. So make sure that you're cutting on the right spot, and it will work just fine for your car. Okay, let me know what you guys think. This one is super cheap, so I'm trying to make the full body kit under $80. Okay, so I'm gonna make a playlist just for these videos for this body kit, and it's gonna call the cheap body kit challenge. Okay, if you like the video, please like the video. If you're new, subscribe. Remember, one of my subscribers is gonna win the full body kit for the Toyota Corolla. Okay, see you on the next video.